Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of web development. Don't worry, you won't need to become a coding wizard for this one. We're going to explore how you can build a stunning website from scratch using the power of AI, specifically with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can assist you with everything from choosing the right platform to generating content and optimizing your site for search engines. We'll break down the entire process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. So, let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, we need to choose a platform to build on. Prompt: recommend a beginner-friendly website builder that doesn't require coding. ChatGPT can suggest platforms like Wix, Squarespace, WordPress.com, Weebly, or Card, which allow you to create websites with drag-and-drop interfaces. Let's talk about your website's purpose. What are you trying to achieve with this website? Prompt: help me brainstorm ideas for the purpose and goals of my website. Whether it's for a personal blog, business, portfolio, or e-commerce store, ChatGPT can help you identify the purpose of your site, which will guide its design and structure. Now comes the fun part: choosing a template. Most website builders offer a variety of pre-designed templates to fit your brand. Prompt: what are the best website templates for a specific type website? For example, if you're building a portfolio, you can ask for design ideas or templates that suit creative professionals, or for e-commerce, templates that promote products well. Chapter 4. Structuring your website like a pro. Prompt: what essential pages should I include in my portfolio business e-commerce website? ChatGPT can recommend pages such as Home, About, Services, Portfolio, Blog, Contact, or Shop, depending on your website's focus. Chapter 5. Crafting compelling content with ChatGPT. Now, let's talk content. Prompt: help me write an engaging about page for my type of business portfolio. ChatGPT can help you draft compelling content for each page, ensuring it aligns with your brand voice. Example: homepage. What should I include on the homepage of my portfolio to make it visually appealing and informative? Service shop page. Help me create product descriptions for my online store selling eco-friendly products. Chapter 6. Design tips and layout suggestions. Alright, let's talk design. Prompt: give me tips on how to design a clean and visually appealing website layout. ChatGPT can suggest layout ideas such as using white space, visual hierarchy, and clear call-to-action buttons. You can also ask for specific design ideas like, what's the best layout for a single-page portfolio website? Chapter 7. So, you've got a beautiful website, but how do you get people to actually find it? That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. Prompt: how can I optimize my website content for SEO without technical knowledge? ChatGPT can give you tips on basic SEO practices, such as using keywords, writing meta descriptions, and optimizing images to help your website rank higher in search engines. Chapter 8. Finding the perfect images and graphics. Visuals are key to making your website engaging and visually appealing. Prompt: where can I find high-quality, royalty-free images for my website? ChatGPT can suggest websites like Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay, where you can find professional images to use for free on your site. Chapter 9. Adding forms and interactivity. Now, let's talk about adding some interactivity to your website. Prompt: how can I add a contact form to my website without coding? Many website builders have pre-built forms. ChatGPT can explain how to integrate these forms or suggest tools like Google Forms or Typeform that easily embed into websites. Chapter 10. Launching your website. We're in the final stretch. Before you hit that publish button, there are a few essential checks you need to do to make sure your website is ready for the world. Prompt: what steps should I follow before launching my website? ChatGPT can guide you through final checks, such as ensuring all links work, your content is proofread, images are optimized, and the mobile version looks great. Outro. Build a website with ChatGPT. No coding needed. And there you have it. With ChatGPT and a user-friendly website builder, you can create a professional website without any coding skills. It's like having a tech-savvy assistant guiding you every step of the way. Remember, building a website is an ongoing process. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and continuously improve your site based on feedback and analytics. The most important thing is to get started and have fun with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy building!